everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be laying down the base for this week's spread. I know I'm running a little bit behind, but that's okay. I'm catching up. So my goal is to get this all laid down for a base for this week and then come back and do a memory plan for at the end of this week to do a memory plan for this week. So I just want to go ahead and lay a basis down and have it all ready so that I can look at it and keep track with my habit trackers and different things like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. So what I've pulled, I don't have a kit for this week, and so what I have pulled is just different things from my stash. So I pulled some scrapbooking paper. So I had this nice little one here that I pulled, actually some of the top ones I'm actually going to use for washi. And then I pulled some of these and I cut those out for just some decorative pieces. I pulled this out with a W for the start of our last name. And anyway, I'm going to use that for one of my full boxes. And then I had this really pretty floral along with this floral, along with just some little branches here that I'm just going to kind of all tie in together. Along with that, so that's what I'm using for my full boxes and for some of my washi. Then for my headers, I'm going to use this washi. It's really hard to see, but it's a really light blue, but whenever I pair it with this kind of olive green color, it actually kind of pulls out some of the green in this. And this is just a polka dotted one, and then this is like a gray wood grain washi, and then this one is another that blue, but it's going to bring out some of that green, and it actually looks like maybe like little leaves on branches. So that's what I'm going to use for my headers. And then as I was kind of laying it all out and everything, it needed a little bit more, so I'm going to use this little bitty skinny washi. It's got some rose gold, because some of the stuff that I'm using is rose gold foiled, and this has rose gold foiled little X's that I'm going to put at the very top. I don't have any date covers this time, but that's okay. And then I'm also pulling from one of the Simply Gilded. This was March's box. This was from the Painted Garden. I'm going to use some of the heart check boxes, the green and the pink, for my habit trackers, because I ordered some, but they're not in yet. And so that's what I'm going to use for my habit trackers, and then just pull in some other different things. But I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to start with some bottom washi, which is actually scrapbook paper that I'm using for my washi. So I'm going to speed this up as I do this. There is the bottom washi there. So that's what the bottom washi looks like, even though it's scrapbook paper, but it really looks like washi. I was pretty proud of myself that I found that. And then I've got just some full boxes that I cut out of the scrapbook paper. So I'm just going to lay these down, and then I'm going to glue them down with my little Scotch dot glue things. So I'll speed this up as I do it as well. So that's what it looks like whenever I got all of my full boxes in, and I went ahead and started over here on my sidebar. And then I've added these two little deco type things in here that I cut out of my scrapbooking paper as well, just to kind of fill in with some of the full boxes. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my washi headers on, and I'll speed that up as well as I do that. So there is the base of it with the headers and my full boxes and stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on my sidebar here. So I'm going to bring it in so you can see. Okay. And I got this little sticker book here. It's got over 1,700 stickers, and this is actually from Walmart. My husband got for me for Mother's Day. And I'm using a little to-do sticker that I think the pink will bring in nicely here. So I'm just gonna stick that right here. For some to-dos. And then, so out of the wellness, the Happy Planner sticker collection that I have, I am going to use one of these rose gold little water bottles here for my habit tracker. And I'm using these little hearts for my habit tracker. I will be so glad when my habit trackers actually come in. Okay, and I'm gonna put this little guy right here for my water. And that is my base layout for this week. Sweet and simple. I really like how it turned out. It's really kind of springy. And anyway, so this is the base layout. Again, I'm going to wait and come back at the end of this week and film a memory plan on top of all this. So we're going to fill in all of this white space. But thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and hit that bell icon if you want to see whenever I put up new videos. And as always, shine bright like starlight.